I'm Vidya. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. CBSE announces biannual Class 10 board exams from 2026. First board exam in February made mandatory for all students, while second optional attempt in May available for improvement or compartment in up to 3 subjects, with no extra fee mentioned. Final result will be based on best of 2 scores. Single mark sheet will be issued after June. The reform applies to all CBSE schools nationwide in line with NEP 2020's goal of reducing exam stress. For full details, refer to the official circular on CBSE website. CBSE invites online self-nominations for National Teachers Awards 2024-25 under CBSE quota. The application portal is open from 26 June to 6 July 2025 on the official CBSE website. Regular teachers must have completed at least 10 years of continuous service in schools affiliated to a recognized board of school education as of 31st March 2025. Principals must have completed 10 years of regular service as a teacher, along with an additional 5 years as a principal in CBSE affiliated schools as of 31st March 2025. For full details, refer to the official CBSE circular available on the CBSE website. Maharashtra Deputy CM opposes Hindi as third language from Class 1, suggests starting from Class 5 to ease academic load and protect early Marathi learning, reacts to state order introducing Hindi from Class 1 in Marathi and English medium schools. CBSE releases date sheet for Class 10 and 12 supplementary exams 2025, exams to begin from 15th July 2025. Visit CBSE official website for complete date sheet and examination guidelines. Kerala opts out of PM Shri School scheme, citing alleged discriminatory withholding of central funds. State government plans legal action over denial of financial support for school modernization under the centrally sponsored initiative. Haryana Education Department orders closure of 20 private schools in Nuh for operating without mandatory recognition, citing non-compliance with safety, infrastructure, and teacher qualification norms. Gujarat's Anganwadi Praveshotsav 2025 to enroll over 1.5 lakh children in Anganwadis, aiming to achieve 87.6% pre-primary enrollment rate as part of state's drive to strengthen early childhood care and education under NEP 2020 framework. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 72170701000 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.